Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install alternative software Android 7.1.2 LineageOS on SONY Xperia XA F3111. Okay, first we need to unlock the bootloader on our phone. I won't show you how to do it because on our channel we have video when I'm showing you everything step by step. So first you need to watch that video and unlock your bootloader. If it's unlocked, turn off your device. Now we need to open up the CMD. Now right click and run as administrator. Now type cd/ type enter. Now cd adb, again enter. Now we need to hold volume up, and when we are holding it we need to insert our cable. If you insert the cable, you need to also keep holding, still hold volume up until the phone vibrates, and when you see a light in here above, it means that our phone has launched in fastboot mode. Okay, so hold volume up and insert the cable. Keep holding. Okay, we can release. Now type fastboot devices. Now fastboot get var all. Enter. Okay. If you see secure no, it means that our bootloader is unlocked, so everything is okay. Now we need to visit the mega page. I'll copy the link in the description. And now first, open custom recovery. You need to download those two files into your computer. And also download custom ROM and download those two files. When it comes to those two files, we will have to copy them into a memory card that we will have to insert later into our phone. Or if you have that possibility, you can use the OTG Smart Connection Kit. So in my case, I will simply insert it into the loading port and it will also work. If you don't have a device like that, you'll have to copy those two files into your memory card, and then you'll have to insert that memory card into your phone. Okay. Now, open up your downloads, and in here we have those two files that I have downloaded. No, actually, they're not here because I have already copied them. So I'll show you that. Custom recovery. Click on download both files. If it says that, click on keep. Okay. Now they have appeared right in here. Now we need to open up the ADB folder. It's in the local disk C, and simply copy the recovery and the boot XASS into that folder. Okay, now we can close it up. Open up again the CMD, and now type fastboot flash boot. Now click on tab a few times until you see this. That's the file that we have just copied into the ADB folder. Now click on enter. Now fastboot flash recovery.img. Enter. And now we need to type fastboot the reboot, I'm sorry. But before we click it, we need to hold the volume down button on our device. So hold volume down, enter, and unplug the cable. Okay, if nothing has happened in your case, all you need to do is to launch the phone in recovery mode. How to do it? Simply, when your device is turned off, of course, hold power button and volume down button at the same time. When the Sony logo appears, release the finger from the power button, but keep holding volume down. Then the recovery mode will appear. It will look just like that. Now, slide to unlock, swipe once again. Now, go into wipe. Also remember that we have to format the data on our device, so everything will be deleted. Have that in mind. Select format data, type the word yes, confirm. The process has now started. Okay, now go back. Go into Reboot. Now recovery and click on Do Not Install. Okay, now we need to insert our SD card. So plug it in, or the OTG, just like me. Okay, slide to the right side, click on Install. Select Storage, USB OTG in my case. Click on OK. Now find those things that you have copied, those two files that we are installing from the mega page. And first, select Lineage. Now swipe. It has to install. It's going to take a little bit, so simply be patient. I'll see you once it's done, actually. Okay, it has downloaded and it has installed, I'm sorry. Now go back and select Open Gaps. Swipe to the right side to confirm. And now we also need to wait until it's installed. Actually, this should take less time. Okay, now select Reboot System, click on Do Not Install, and now we just need to simply wait until our phone turns on. Actually, we can unplug the OTG, and now simply wait until the phone turns on. The thing that will appear on the screen will be the setup process, so you will have to simply go through it and your device will be ready to use. You can also see that animation. That means that everything went successfully. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.